Hi, this is Dr. Linda Horton, and this is the Helpful Homeschooler. Today I want to talk about remediating your child in math. I just got a question today about word problems, and I will be talking about remediating in other subjects, but today we're going to talk about math, specifically word problems. And the question was that this child was going, the child's in 4th grade, and they were going swimmingly in math, and then all of a sudden the word problems got too difficult. And so my first suggestion is go back and see where the trouble started. Like, did it start when they started using certain words? Are there words they don't understand? Or is it, say for instance, a function, multiplication, division? They were really good in the math word problems, but then when it came to multiplication word problems, they didn't know what to do. So go back, see where the problem lies, but then a good rule of thumb that I always love to do, I do it myself, and all of my students, I give them the same tip, is to make a picture. If you'll notice in kindergarten, 1st grade, even 2nd grade some, a lot of the math problems are pictures. And so it's really easy, they don't even have to read to do it. And so when I'm having a problem, I'm a visual learner. So when I'm having a problem, the best thing I can do is draw myself a picture. And I'll give you a thing about, okay, so let's say Tammy has 4 German Shepherds. And the question says, Tammy has 4 German Shepherds. Each German Shepherd has 8 puppies. How many puppies are there together? So I would draw 4 circles. And I am not an artist by any stretch of the imagination. So I would put 8 circles. Please do not get frustrated with your child if they're not an artist, because all they have to do is understand what they're doing. There you go. So then I would say to the child, all right, so we have each puppy, and puppy 1, puppy 2, puppy 3, puppy 4, and they have 8 puppies. Just show how simple it is. You either, if it's addition or multiplication, 4 times 8 equals, and then they would give you the answer. 32. So in any of those, it's always a good idea to help them draw a picture no matter what they're doing. One of the things that even as I taught, I would have to draw a picture for, as you get older, there are the questions about this person is first in line, this person see how I'm OCD, I have to have faces on my people. So when it comes to drawing the people in lines, I always have to draw pictures, always. And I would say, give this one a name. Anna, she's first. And Bill is second. And Fred is third. Linda's fourth. Dennis is fifth. And as the names I know, I do. Saying the question is, how many people are between Anna and Dennis? How easy is that then for the child to do? Easy. A lot of times they will say, this one's first, this one's behind them, this one is 3 behind that. There's no other way to do it in my mind than to draw a picture. And once the child draws a picture, it's so easy for them to infer the information. And a lot of the things you'll notice if they draw pictures, let's say for the first problem, it didn't say how many dogs, it said how many puppies. So it's really easy for them to say, oh, these are the puppies. The dogs, 1, 2, 3, and 4, don't make any difference. And so as they get older, there's going to be a lot of stuff thrown at them. And if they have a mechanism to make it easier for them, like the pictures, it just clicks. Go back, find where they're missing it. If it's multiplication, it's very simple. Just give them some multiplication problems, show them how to do the pictures easily. It's easy to multiply in groups. But if you're not organized in your thinking, sometimes you need help organizing your thinking. And there's a lot of children who are not yet organized in their thinking. It's okay to draw pictures. I remember when I was taking my SATs so many years ago, I remember a math problem. I literally took my scratch paper and drew a picture, and it helped me. So it's okay. Whatever works for them, works for them. And I want us to be open to any kind of method that works for your child. One child might not need pictures, one child needs pictures. It's the easiest way to remediate in math is the picture method. Sometimes they have to see it and feel it. We've talked about that. And that's another method, but it's when you're in a different, like a testing atmosphere, you can't see it and feel it. You're gonna have to have that other mechanism. And for me, the best mechanism in word problems in math is to draw a picture. Listen, I want you to remember that homeschooling is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And it's something we do together as a family. So go out and enjoy the adventure. Goodbye.